ready for an adventure?
Yep.
We are ready. We are.
I was born ready.
To pay for the candy, but you get free smells.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you pick what you want, and that's what we'll do. How's that? And she likes the Christmas ones. Let's do the little Santas first, okay? Then we got bells and Santas and flowers and snowmen. And these are little bells. I don't remember which one I did for Great Carol Wedding. What you do, and it's simple, is just take your spoon and fill them up. And like I said, don't worry if you get it on the outside, okay? Because you can take the knife and go around those. Great job.
Looks so good.
Oh yeah. And trim them off. They look like your little belts. And then we take this extra stuff and we put it back in the or we put it back in and use it over.
Ooh.
Aren't they pretty?
So this is the dark chocolate.
So good. Yummy. Get your nose in there. That smells good.
This is
Yeah.
light chocolate.
These turned out great.
Didn't she do well? And what do we not do with the chocolate?
Yeah, it like.
Don't get the chocolate wet?
No, you don't get the chocolate wet. You don't put soap on the molds. Rinse
Oh,
them off in
it's
warm
like-
water. That keeps that coating and stuff on there. You
Okay.
have to pay for the candy, but you get free smells.
Okay.
Yeah. Happy 80th birthday, Grandma.
Always had to make Pap's Easter baskets.
Oh my gosh. You
Because-
made your own candy.
Yeah.
We love you.